With local knowledge, a dedicated office network, and creating unique solutions, Balancia Shipping provides a complete range of port agent services for master and crew, ship owners, charterers, and management for all types of ships. Other related services, including port and customs documentation, cargo handling, loading and unloading, warehousing, storage, repair, docking, ship husbandry, and crew change are also taken care of by our professional team. We are committed and engaged in all areas of ship or partner agency and marine services for all types and sizes of vessels, including offshore support. We are dedicated and skilled professional organization that provides comprehensive solution for your shipping needs anywhere in Indonesia. Our mission is to provide you with the highest quality service always. We intend to expand our services through a network of new partnerships to exponentially meet the needs of our loyal customers while winning new ones. Balancia Shipping is a provider of port agent services and global supply company is known for completing domestic and global projects on budget, on time, and with unwavering safety considerations. Balancia aims to make potential customer trust that the services provide are the best, departing from noble ideals toward the best Indonesian Ship Agency in 2031. With the new logo, we want to communicate that Balancia is here to help ship owners, ship operators, or ship charterers in providing the best service for ships visiting Indonesian port. In the future, we want to optimize the use of digital marketing with the hope that by looking at the logo alone, potential customers have captured by message that Balancia Shipping is a trusted company with the best services. With the best services that are full port agency services, CIQB clearance, ship's husbandry, crew change, loading and discharging, bunker, cash to master, layups, dry docking, and offshore support. To be the best Indonesian ship agency in 2031 and as a crew change specialist, the following is an explanation of the essence of the new logo of Balancia. The first one, the silhouette of the ship shape is the main emblem and is the ship's agent. Its shape seems to be spanning toward the front, symbolizing the spirit of the 2031 vision to become the best Indonesian ship agency company in 2031. The second, not only a ship agency, Balancia Shipping also has very professional quality. In addition, it also symbolizes happiness by flying freely in the air towards global players in the international market continue to fly high. The third, the entire logogram forms the letter B with a horizontal position which is an affirmation and marker of the Balancia brand beginning with the letter B, arranged horizontally as a symbol of being grounded, reaching out and serving all circles. The fourth, the shape of the logo like the direction of the chart moving up and forward symbolizes the value of Kaizen Balancia as a company that continues to grow and develop for the better in every way, organization, systems, and services to customers. To be the best Indonesian ship agency in 2031 and as a crew change specialist, we will facilitate your needs. With us, Balancia Shipping Agency, ease, fluency, and speed are our priorities in facilitating your needs. Trust Balancia Shipping Agency.